Hi there, today's episode looks at planet Uranus or Uranus. Now William Herschel discovered Uranus in 1781 and its name comes from the ancient Greek god Uranus, who was the father of Kronos, Saturn. Uranus rotates on its side once every 17 hours and 14 minutes and like Venus it turns in a clockwise direction. Retrograde, opposite, east to west, which is different from the other 6 planets. It takes Uranus 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun, with its axis tilted at 98 degrees, which means it lies almost sideways. The mass of Uranus is about 14.5 times the mass of the Earth, making it the lightest of the 4 gas giants in the outer solar system. Its upper atmosphere, water, ammonia and methane ice crystals which give it its distinctive pale blue colour. Uranus has presently 13 known rings and it's the coldest planet in the solar system. The minimum surface temperature on Uranus is -224 degrees C. It has 27 known moons and they're named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare, mainly fairies from A Midsummer Night's Dream. Now Uranus' unique sideways rotation makes for weird seasons. The planet's north pole experiences 21 years of nighttime in winter, 21 years of daytime in summer and 42 years of day-night in the spring and autumn. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe, as we aim to get videos out released about once a week or so on various astronomical topics. And if there's something that we haven't covered that you'd like to see covered, well, message me below and I'll do my best. I'll certainly respond. So I hope you enjoyed today's show, and thank you for watching, and thank you. See you next time.